Díomh, is mis Padraig Grant agus is greengrafador mé. Tá an áthas arm cúpla léi greengrafadorta a roint live.
For me, being a photographer means that I'm always looking for an interesting way to show stuff to people. Before you can make pictures, there are a few simple things to remember to do with your phone or tablet before you take the picture. Please ask an adult or teacher to help you if you don't know how to do any of it. For this example, I will use my phone, but most phones and devices with cameras on them are similar and have the same settings. However, if any of the settings we look at here are missing, don't worry, I'm sure your pictures will still be great. On your phone or tablet, we need to first open the camera app, then click into the settings. This looks like a little flower on my phone, there in the top right corner. Tap on the picture or photo menu and then choose the best quality photo setting. This can use a lot of memory on your device, so make sure there is plenty of room, especially as we may be taking a lot of pictures. This will make sure that if you want to print or display the picture, it will look its absolute best. In the same menu, you should be able to find and turn on the grid pattern. You may have to scroll down to find it. This grid is just 6 lines that sit on top of your picture on your device. You'll see them on your screen, but they don't come out on your picture. They will help you to compose the picture and to help you keep your horizon straight. The horizon is where the sky meets the ground, but don't worry about it if you're not outdoors. You don't really need it indoors. Composing the picture means whereabouts you're going to place what you're photographing in the picture, in the screen. Usually when you put what you were photographing on where the grid pattern lines meet each other, it means that you're going to end up with a strong picture. It's a hard and fast rule, and feel free to play around with it. It doesn't matter if you're slightly off the line or whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're indoors, make sure to support the phone or iPad on something. A table or a chair is good if you don't have a tripod. A selfie stick or the top of a tin may also help. This will make your pictures sharper and reduce shakiness. Now, this is kind of important. Turn off the flash. Pictures always look better without it, and daylight is just beautiful. And the last one, experiment. This is the most important thing of all to remember. To make an interesting picture, you must try photographing it in different ways. Standing up, kneeling down, or lying on the floor looking up. Try clicking from close up or from further back and see which one works out best for you. The objective of this particular tutorial is to set up some still lifes and take 5 pictures. Okay, the rules are like this. Number 1, have a think about your favourite colours, your favourite toys, maybe your favourite fruits, bottles or things, anything at all, and gather them up. But not more than say 6 or 7 items, because you don't want to get too crowded. Number 2, you can arrange these items on a tabletop near a window. Allow the light to fall across the table from one side, okay, so it'll look really pretty. If you can't, set it up right next to a window, don't worry about it, as long as it's a bright sort of area. Number 3, okay, for the first couple of pictures, arrange the same colour items together. Okay, you can mix big with small, soft with hard, it doesn't matter. And do the same with the other things. All of your favourite toys in one picture maybe, or line up the fruit together in one picture, so you have different arrangements. So you may end up like making about 5 different arrangements, and you can mix it up a bit as well. So you don't have to, as the fella said, rules are made to be broken. Okay, so to make your pictures, what I want you to do is to photograph it from 3 different angles. Okay, so from above, from the front, and from the back. And I want you to try photographing it from close up, really close up. I mean really, really, really close up. Further back, and then from further back again. Okay, so when you've done all of that, have a look back through your pictures and choose your favourite ones. Choose your favourite 5 and share them with someone at home and tell them why you like it.